paths you can take in life. And in creating those paths, you have to make so many choices and decisions along the way. The best decision of my life was you.
When you're in a soulmate relationship, you feel this instant connection with them. This feeling like you know them. You've known them your whole life. You feel safe around them. You feel a sense of calmingness. You have this feeling of trust, like you absolutely can trust whatever they say. It's a sense of peace.
Hi.
Amazing. I know. Growing up, I thought, I wonder what it feels like to be truly in love. Luckily enough for me, I found you. I have 100 thoughts today, and 99 of them are you. I told you I would.
It's okay.
If I could give you one gift in life, it would be to have you see yourself through my eyes. At that moment, you would realise just how beautiful you are.
I still remember the night I met you clear as day. Cemented in my mind because I was instantaneously drawn to you. You have taught me the greatest gift, and that is to love openly without fear. Before you, I never truly understood the meaning of love, what it felt like, or how to connect with it. By allowing myself to love, you have given me the ability to find the most raw and natural happiness. You are my best friend, my lover, and my soulmate.
It's beautiful. It's not easy.
It's easy being with you though. Yes. Wherever you are is my home.
My wife.
Come here, my husband. Our journey together started 3,650 days ago today. You had this presence over me where I couldn't help but immediately let all my walls down. And after spending an hour with you, I felt like I'd known you for years.
If life gets tough, you always manage to find a spark of hope to make me feel as though nothing else matters. I promise to love you as I have since the moment I laid eyes on you all those years ago.
You allow me to accelerate in all aspects of my life by supporting me whether I'm right or wrong. I'm so grateful that you have chosen me as your life partner and one day the mother of your children. But always remember, I love you the most because you make each day more colourful than the last.
Today, finally, I get to marry the woman of my dreams. To my now wife, I love you now, always and forever. I didn't teach you to love.
Yes, you did. You taught me how to love openly without fear. That's why I love you so much.